out today was National Chocolate Covered Peanut Day. I'm showing you how to make some truffles today. Yay, truffles! But we're going to be doing a twist because on the channel we make good food, better food. So what we're going to be doing with these truffles are, we're going to be taking our oven roasted salted peanuts, we're going to be chopping them up into teeny bits, and we're going to be putting them inside of our truffle balls, and then we're also going to adorn the outside top of it, those peanuts right on top. Alright, well if you guys are ready, I'm ready. First thing we're gonna be doing are truffles because they've gotta be in the fridge for 2 hours. Alright, let's go! Alright, so the first step in your truffles is you're gonna wanna get your chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet if you would prefer not to use milk chocolate. I like the taste of milk chocolate, so I chose those over the semi-sweet. And then to that, we're gonna be taking half of a can of our sweetened condensed milk and we're going to pour it into the chocolate chips. Once we get that in there, we're going to want to pop it into the microwave. And we want to melt our chips, 30-second increment. And then I'm going to stir it, and then I'm going to go about 15 seconds after that until it's all melted, and then we're going to mix these all together. Then we're going to be adding in our vanilla, and then we're going to be chopping up our peanuts and adding them in too. Alright, so let's get this into the microwave. Okay, so our chocolate is melted, and as it does melt in the microwave, you can see how thick it starts to get. That's really what you want for a truffle. Now we're going to be adding in our vanilla. Just takes a little bit, not a whole lot, it's just there for that hint of that beautiful vanilla flavor. Alright, after we've added our vanilla, we're going to go ahead and add in our peanuts. You don't want to add in too many, and I have crushed mine to where they are fairly small pieces. Now we're going to get this wrapped with our plastic wrap, put it into the refrigerator for 2 hours, let it cool, and then we'll be back. Our truffles have been in the refrigerator for a little over 2 hours, but as you can see, it's pretty hardened, which makes it so much easier and more convenient when you go to roll them into balls. You don't want to have giant balls. You want to do, you know, a decent sized ball. So let's see here. So you take it and you can even like literally just smush it in your hands into a ball. You don't want to keep it into your hands for too long. See? There we go. There we go. So this is the inside of our truffle. Take in some of the bark chocolate. So I melted some extra. And then also, I have some peanuts that we're going to be sprinkling on the top of it. Alright, so you take your truffle, put it in your bark. Go like this, cover it. Then you want to take a fork, scoop it out, and kind of drain off the excess. Just like we did with the cake pops. You just want to have that thin little outer covering of it. Then we're going to be putting them over here on our parchment paper. Get our peanuts out of the way. So take it, lay it on the parchment, take a little bit of your peanuts, and just sprinkle it right on top, just like that.